Alright, so I got my cute little boy here. He's gonna be acting as me in this thing, so he can easily see the top of the table part, but then he has plenty of room underneath to work on the needle, and plenty of space on both sides of him if he wants like a blanket or something if it's cold to also add that. Okay, so this new craft is called Tambour Embroidery. And you have this cool tool. It's like a hook, like a crochet hook, but also kind of has a sharp point, kind of like a needle. A little knob so you can switch out the needle. This technique, you actually have to work with both your hands, so you need to have the frame kind of holding itself. Okay, so first off you want to tie a knot where you want to start. And then you want to get pretty long length of string. I did about 2 yards of string. And you want to start stringing the beads that you're doing. For the middle part of the feather, I'm using these kind of darker gold beads. And then around the feather, I'm using these type of beads, and you just do a bunch of them. Okay, so as you can see, I've done a couple of feathers already, and I'm going to show you how I did the middle part. So you've got your beads. And you just kind of hold the beads and slowly feed them through each stitch. So you feed the first bead, make sure you go down the length of the bead. You pick up the string, and you want to make sure you don't pick up anything else but that string. Then you can twist it and move to the next bead. So put the next bead down. Next bead down, make sure you do it the length of the bead. Wrap the string around, turn it, pick up that string and go through the next loop.